Hey there, Glam Tribe. We're making a smoothie today featuring a Teami Greens Superfood blend. Let's talk ingredients. We first need a plant-based milk. The one that I always opt for is almond milk. I use it in everything, pretty much. And then you're going to need some frozen fruits, kicking off with pineapple chunks. I really like pineapple chunks because the flavor is really good for me. And I'm going to also add in frozen coconut chunks today as well. And also some baby spinach just to give it another veggie boost to this smoothie. Now we're ready to start adding in ingredients, and I'm going to start with some handfuls of spinach. I did just like quickly rinse them with my hands and then pop them in container. Now I'm going to add a handful and a half of the coconut chunks. And then I'm going in a little heavier with the pineapple chunks. I really want that flavor to come through for the smoothie. And all you need is 1 scoop of the Teami Greens Superfood blend and add in the almond milk. I'm kind of just giving it a good eyeball here because I just know I want it to be a little bit more liquidy, but I don't want to overdo it at first. And throw in some ice cubes if you want to. Now we're ready to seal our blending container and get ready to make this smoothie. Now I'm just using a Ninja blender and I'm just taking my time making sure everything's kind of going through, and I felt like it was a little too thick, so I'm adding a little bit more of the almond milk, and that will definitely be able to wrap it up, so I'll be able to blend the rest of this down. Don't you just love that green color? It is so pretty. Now this smoothie will make enough for really 2 servings. I'm just pouring a little fuller. I will tell you next time I'm going to ixnay the coconut chunks because it made it a little bit too thick. Now, no worries though, we're still going to enjoy this. Cheers to this smoothie, and let me know your favorite smoothie recipes down below in the comment box.